As regular viewers will know, this is, amongst other things, the home of high-end exclusive perfume. Roger Dove, Sur de Tan. Well, just see what I have for you now. Hold on to your purses and wallets. I bring you sex wax. Yes, sex wax. This is, let me read, an air freshener. It is surf wax scented. It is pineapple. Now, the selling point, I think you will see, is it is the best for your stick. Although, note the curious small print. Avoid contact with all surfaces, and see warning on back. An extensive warning on the back. Let's open it. In we go. And here it is. Oh, jeez. It literally smells like the wrong end of a chemical factory. I think I'm literally going to have to take this very far from the house. So, if I survive this, I'll do another TikTok.